सो यू डिजाइन योर पाथ एंड यू वॉक ऑन इट। वो एक ऐसा सिंबल है ना जिसके अनगिनत मीनिंग्स है। एक चीज को हम लोगों ने पैदा करने की कोशिश करी जिसका कोई चेहरा नहीं है, ताकि फैन बॉय मेंटालिटी ना हो। आपकी सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी या सेल्फ वर्थ उन चीजों से डिफाइन नहीं होनी चाहिए जो बाहर से आप लेबल पकड़ के अपने ऊपर चिपका सको। द लैम्डा इज नॉट अबाउट निर्वाणा, लैम्डा इज अबाउट असेंशन, विच मीन्स के हम लोग जब बच्चे होते हैं, इंडिया के जो माँ बाप होते हैं ना, वो अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी कर देंगे। वो इतना करते हैं कि वो बच्चे को बच्चा ही रहने देते हैं, उसको बड़ा ही नहीं होने देते। क्यों? क्योंकि बच्चे की जिंदगी ये होती है कि अगर उसको कुछ चाहिए उसके माँ बाप उसको देते हैं, तो हमें आदत हो जाती है कि अगर हमें कुछ चाहिए हमें वो मिल जाएगा। जब हम बड़े होते हैं तो हमें कुछ चीजें चाहिए होती है, जब नहीं मिलती तो रोते हैं, पिटते हैं। आर यू गेटिंग मी? That is what he's talking about basically. Acceptance of whatever occurs naturally in nature, no matter what the journey is, what the destination is. But
sir, one more question regarding lambda sign. You told previously that there was hierarchy of different kind of people, and there is a state of nirvana. So how can I achieve that? I want to know that.
See, I have not achieved that, so I don't know. All right, but the lambda is not about nirvana. Lambda is about ascension, which means ke we are able to progress beyond who we are today. Because if who you are today, if you are the same person 10 years later, if that is what you wanted and you are fine with it, awesome. But if that's something you are doing nothing about and then you are complaining, that's not fine. Then you are not worthy. So lambda is about ascension, both inwards as well as forwards in life. And you decide the ascension because you are a free man then. So you design your path and you walk on it. That doesn't mean it has to be a path which others will clap for you to walk on. That, oh shit, you're an IIT person, wow. Yeah, that's the different path. That's the path which craves for acceptance.
I'd like to add to that.
Yes, sir.
Lambda for me was like you just make yourself worthy to reach a particular point, and like it is all about the journey. You just being able to make yourself worthy to achieve that, like throughout the process, whatever it may be. कि okay, चलो 12th के बाद मेरे को ये करना है, and you just start making yourself worthy for being there. It may be the shortest thing, it may be the biggest thing, but you just make yourself worthy. Why? Because that is the journey that you have been through. Like उससे तुमको समझ में आ रहा है कि ओके हाँ, there are troughs, there are crests, there is a journey, ऊपर जाना है, नीचे आना है, वापस सारी चीज़ें है उसमें. But at the end कि ओके हाँ चलो, I in my own eyes am making myself worthy to reach there. Like for me, lambda is in that context completely.
For me, it's completely different. That's the beauty of that symbol, you know. For me, it's the coming together of masculine and feminine to ascend. One arm is masculine, another is feminine, like this.
वो एक ऐसा सिंबल है ना जिसके अनगिनत मीनिंग्स हैं, अनगिनत। वो उसकी ब्यूटी है क्योंकि वो रिस्ट्रिक्ट या डिफाइन नहीं करता कि तुम्हें ऐसा। मैंने उस चीज़ को पैदा क्यों किया? क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता था लोग सोचे कि ऐसा होना अगर है तो ऐसा पैदा होना ज़रूरी है, ऐसा बैकग्राउंड होना ज़रूरी है, ऐसा ये होना ज़रूरी है। कोई सोचता है कि अरे ये तो गोरा होगा इसलिए, या इसकी बॉडी है इसलिए, या इसका ये है इसलिए मैंने उस एसके को मारा। एक चीज़ को हम लोगों ने पैदा करने की कोशिश करी जिसका कोई चेहरा नहीं है, ताकि फैन बॉय मेंटालिटी ना हो। सल्लू भाई, दैट्स नॉट फ्रीडम ना। But anyway, somebody else, you be anyone with the question.
You just told her that you should not care about your goals. Why should we not care about our goals?
I didn't say you don't care about your goals. I said no matter what materializes, my point of communication with her was that your self-worth should not be defined via the victory or the loss of your goals. Did you get me? Basically, आपकी सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी या सेल्फ वर्थ उन चीज़ों से डिफाइन नहीं होनी चाहिए जो बाहर से आप लेबल पकड़ के अपने ऊपर चिपका सको. That doesn't mean that you don't care for goals. That doesn't mean that you don't work with passion towards them. You work with passion, with intent, but at the same time with detachment. Because if you're going to be super attached, you're going to be super affected. Positively or negatively. If it's positive, you will feel on top of the world, but the day that thing goes from you, then what? There are people who have made fortunes and then lost everything. There are some who are able to make it again. There are some who end up killing themselves. Because some cared for it too much, some cared about the journey. So they're happy to go through the journey all over again. हमारी डिजायर की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, हमारी डिजायर आती है अटैचमेंट के साथ. अगर हम डिजायर कर सकें विद नॉट गेटिंग अटैच्ड, वो एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा प्योर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि माइंड उसको मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर सकता. फिर यू विल लिव थ्रू इट वाया द हार्ट. What I'm doing, my mind doesn't agree with it in my life. With my skill set, with my qualifications, I could be doing endless other amazing things. But my heart doesn't agree with it. And I'm not somebody who can go against my heart. That's me. That's my self-identification.